Hey everyone, it's Mindy Banks, the Flip Flop Chef. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker pork carnitas in Pampered Chef's new slow cooker stand and the RockCrok Dutch oven. So you just need a few basic ingredients. I'm going to be using a store-bought seasoned pork shoulder roast. So if you cannot find it seasoned, you can get a pork shoulder and add Pampered Chef's Carnitas slow cooker seasoning. And then we're gonna add an onion, some jalapenos, some orange juice from these oranges. I'm gonna actually throw the whole oranges in there after I juice them, so you have the rinds in as well. Some garlic cloves and some cilantro, and I already put a little bit of water in the slow cooker stand. So I will show you guys what to do next. Hang tight. All right, I've got all of my ingredients in my RockCrok Dutch oven. This is the 4-quart RockCrok. This slow cooker base will accommodate both the 2.5-quart everyday pan and the 4-quart RockCrok Dutch oven. So I've got my carnitas pork shoulder. I have onions, jalapenos, orange juice, and the rind from the oranges, some cilantro and some garlic. I'm gonna add the lid to my RockCrok, and then check out the super cool display here. And so you can either press the time, hang on, to turn this, you can check the time button and it'll change it from low to high to warm, and then there's a display off button, so it will turn your display off. I'm gonna put this on low, I usually do high, low for 8 hours. Press that wheel, press to start, and it is going to cook for 8 hours. The coolest new feature about the new RockCrok slow cooker stand is after 8 hours, it's going to click over automatically to the warm setting. And so I don't have to be here when it goes off. It will be automatically switched over to warm. Now, a couple of other new features if you have the old RockCrok slow cooker stand. This one, of course, matches all of our other appliances. It has a stay cool body, so this part is not stainless anymore, so you can't burn yourself here. This part does still get a little bit hot, but not anywhere near as hot as the previous version that we sold. And this isn't hot yet, so you can just see there's like a little silicone ring here, and that's gonna help keep you from spilling too much from here when you're scooping out. If you do get anything spilled between the, underneath the RockCrok in the base, some Dawn Power Wash is great to clean that off, but make sure that your slow cooker stand is completely cooled off before you do that. So wait for it to cool, spray it with a little Dawn Power Wash, and then let it sit for a few minutes and wipe it clean. There's also cord storage in the back. You can't really see that while this is in use, but there is cord storage in the back. Makes this really easy for you to put away if you don't want to leave it on your countertop. So these are our slow cooker pork carnitas. All right, you guys, it's been almost 8 hours since I started the slow cooker, and I'm just waiting for this 1 minute to go by, and then I'll show you guys how this will automatically switch over to the warm setting, and I'll give you a few ideas. So this recipe is great served with rice. You can serve it in tacos. All right, you guys see how it flipped over to end? We're gonna just wait for it. You see how it switched over to warm automatically, and it sets a timer for 4 hours. So it will stay on warm for up to 4 hours, which is so great. And I'll show you guys the inside of the pot here in just a second. But as I was saying, you can serve this with rice. I have just this Spanish rice that I got from Aldi, and I'll cook that in just a few minutes. And you can serve it as tacos with tortillas or taco shells. So I have some soft tacos because that's what we like here. And then I've got an avocado to mix with 1 tablespoon of our guacamole. And I'll probably do 2 tablespoons because this is like a massive, this is a Florida avocado right there. One of our neighbors, whenever she has an excess of avocado, she just puts a bucket outside her at the end of her driveway with a sign saying free avocados. So we grabbed a couple of those yesterday, but let's check out the inside. So take the glass lid off and shake off some of that condensation and check this out. So you can see everything is looking amazing. So what I'll do is I will remove all of the oranges because I put those rinds in there, and then you can either take your salad choppers to chop all of this together. So we're gonna be chopping the onions, the pork shoulder, the jalapeno peppers, and everything together. Or you can use our meat. I think these are called quick shreds. So it's 2 pieces, they're magnetic, they stick together. So this is just like what you would use for pulled pork. And we'll shred that up. There's a lot of juice in there, so if you wanna take it out before you shred it, you could certainly do that. I like having that extra juice, and then we'll just strain off whatever we don't need. So this is slow cooker pork shoulder carnitas. I know these are gonna be delicious, and I can't wait for you to get the RockCrok Slow Cooker stand with the Dutch oven so that you can make this in your kitchen. That's all for now. I'll see you next time, guys.